Okay, so we're doing a video now on box plots, and this is something that you may have done before. So the first thing is, with the box plot, there's 5 important numbers, and these are called the 5-point summary. Now, these numbers here are not all the numbers. There could have been a whole heap of other numbers as well as the numbers given, but these numbers are the important numbers, and we call this the 5-point summary. So the lowest number is there, the highest number is there, and then these other numbers are your Q1, your Q2, and your Q3. Okay, so these represent some of the numbers in the data set, and these are the numbers we're going to be plotting. Okay, so copy that down and come across when you're ready. Okay, so we're now back, and now we've got our 5-point summary. Okay, so our 5-point summary is now representing the box. So these are your 5 numbers that become your 5-point summary. Okay, now we also then draw it. Just move that down a bit. Come on. Okay, so when we do our box plots, they're always drawn to scale. So we've got a scale at the top, and then where the numbers are, you just draw them accurately, and then you join your Q1, your Q2, and your Q3 as a box, and then you just draw a line to the lowest and a line to the highest. Okay, so that's all you have to do. So copy that and come across when you're ready. Okay, so interpreting a box plot. So we've got different representations. So this data is pretty symmetrical. Oh, what happened there? I don't know. So this data is symmetrical, so the box plot is symmetrical. All the data's in the middle, so the box is really cramped. Here, the box is spread, so you've got a big spread. Here, most of the data is at the back. Okay, so there's a long spread at the top, and vice versa. Okay, so all these are called skewed. Okay, that one there is called positively skewed. This one here is called negatively skewed. And this one here, this one's called symmetrical. Okay, so as I said, the box plot divides into 4 sections, and you got 1/4 of the scores in each section. Okay, so copy that and come across when you're ready. Okay, so now we've got extreme values, and we call these guys outliers. Okay, do I have a call out for any kids in the class? Hello, guys. Okay, so they're in the video now. That's good. So when you do your outliers, you've got Q1 minus 1.5 times the interquartile range, or Q3 plus 1.5 times the interquartile range. And so if your numbers fall outside those areas, then we have an outlier, and we just put a cross there. And so the second, any other lower scores now become the lowest score. So the lowest score was 5, but it's outside as an outlier, and so now we move our lowest score to 15. Okay, so copy that across, and when you're ready, come across. We've got one more slide to go. Okay, and the last thing we have to do is putting box plots alongside each other and then analysing them. So for instance, we've got 2 brands, I think they were batteries or something, and having them alongside each other, you can make comparisons. So for instance, brand X has a big range of numbers, so we say it's more variable, but it's definitely got better life, and it's got a better low life as well. Okay, so you can do a lot of analysis, and that might be something that you might put in your assignment if you're doing comparisons. Okay, so you can have a look at those sort of analysis, and that's it. So thanks for coming. See you later.